Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we'll be looking at 3 top altcoins to buy in the month of October. So right now, here in the past 24 hours, the market has been booming. We're very green, up about 2.74%. Our top gainer right here is up about 40.26%, trading at $2.48. We have obviously Bitcoin with the highest volume at 43 billion right there. Ethereum 16.7 billion. Bitcoin is up about almost 3%. Same with Ethereum. Bitcoin at the 28,000 area right now. We're very close to that resistance area, around the 60,000 area. Once we get past that, we're close to those all-time high areas again, which is definitely a beautiful thing to see once again after a few months of a cool down. Ethereum at 3,600 right now. Binance Coin pretty much flat. Cardano's up 2%. Ripple's up 2%. Polkadot almost 4%. Solana down about 2%. We have Doge making a little bit of a move, and everything else is up or down about 2 or 3%, with some outliers obviously in the market as well. So this is a beautiful sight to see right here. Bitcoin is only about what 5 or 6,000 away from that all-time high, and we haven't seen that in a few months. So this is a great time to be a crypto investor. So if you enjoy this type of content, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Guys, we're almost at 44,000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video, and leave a comment below which crypto are you going to be buying in the month of October. Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Stellar Lumens, XLM. This one right here, if we take a look at the 24-hour chart, it is up about 20 or 10% here, higher in the past 24 hours. It is trading at 38 cents per coin. In the past week, up 5%. In the past month, 18%. And on the 1-year chart, 425%. So this coin was trading at 7 cents last year, went up the highs here in May at about 80 cents, pulled back down to about 20 cents, and now we're making this comeback to about 38 cents or so. So we're still, we still have over 100% upside potential to get back to those all-time highs. Current market cap being at 9 billion market cap. Volume is up 130% more than usual at 1.4 billion. Typical hold time is 32 days on this one. This one is ranked the number 17 coin. If we take a look right here, trading activity, we have a 50% buy activity, 50% sell activity on this coin. Now, for those of you unfamiliar, Stellar's cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumen XLM, powers the Stellar payment network. The Stellar aims to, connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. This coin right here has plenty of upside, like we said, only at a 9 billion market cap right now. So if we were to get back to those all-time highs, we'd be trading at around a 20 billion market cap, give or take a billion or two. So that's the level we're looking forward to. Obviously, with the pullback that we saw here in July, and then we came back up about 100%. Actually, it ran up about 100% from that low, pulled back down now to about 26 cents, came back up to 38, and now we're hoping for this to continue to go up and pass that 40 cents area once again and continue that momentum up in the future as crypto continues to move on higher and Bitcoin gets close to that all-time high. So obviously the large cap coins are starting to move on higher, which means potentially the mid cap and the low cap coins will continue to follow that same pattern in the future as they have in the past. So hopefully the history repeats itself. So Stellar Lumens, first altcoin on this list. Second altcoin on the list is going to be Algorand ALGO. This one right here in the past 24 hours is up about 4%, making a similar move here as Bitcoin. In the past week, we're pretty much flat. In the past month, we're down 16%. And then on the 1-year chart, we are up 450%. So last year, this coin was trading at 30 cents or so. Hit highs here in February. Tried again in April. Pulled back down with the market all the way down to lows of 70 cents. Then we saw it rocket on higher here end of August into September, all the way to over $2.55. So we still have about 70 cents before we get to that all-time high area, which is about a 50% upside or so. Currently, market cap at 11.3 billion. Volume is pretty much the same as usual. Typical hold time is 45 days. Trading activity, 66% buy activity, 34% sell activity, and as we can see, the all-time high is at $3.28. So about 100% upside from the area that we're at right now, just to get back to those areas. Now, Algorand is a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be simultaneously scalable, secure, and decentralized. It uses a consensus algorithm called pure proof of stake, and with this one being at 11.3 billion market cap, if we were to get back to those levels that we were at before, we would be trading close to 20 billion market cap. Pretty much the same pattern that we saw with Stellar Lumens, around that 20 billion market cap. It seems to be the range that we're talking about right now with both of these coins, pretty much the same level. But like we said, Algorand is up 450% here in the past year. So that means if you would have invested $1,000 into Algorand last year, right now you would be up about $4,500 in profit just on this one coin in 1 year. That is a great return in my opinion, obviously, as the stock market only returns about 10 to 15% average, depending on what you're investing in, a little bit higher risk or not. But, if getting a 450% return, that's insane. I mean, this coin, returns more in a day than the stock market does in half a year, which is insane. 4% gain right there. So, crypto obviously high risk, high reward type situation compared to the stock market. Stock market is a lot more safer in my opinion compared to the, crypto market. Crypto can go down and up very, very quickly and it's very volatile. And that's why a lot of people, tend to stay out of the crypto market because of the fear of losing a lot of your hard earned money. So, Algorands are going to be our number second coin. And then obviously our third coin is going to be Polkadot DOT. This one in the past 24 hours is booming, guys. This one is up almost 14% from lows down here of about $34 or so. Now we're trading at $40. In the past week, Polkadot is up 25.8%. In the past month, 16.9%, and then on the 1 year chart, 868%. So this coin was trading at right under $4 last year, and ever since then, actually, we're up about 1,000% on this coin from the $4 range there. So this coin is on fire right now, making some great moves. Here we actually saw highs of almost $50 in May, pulled back down to lows of about $10, and now we ran up 300% from the low to the high. So a 300% gain has been made just from that area in the past 2 months or so. So this market cap currently at 40.2 billion. Volume is up 168% higher than usual at 5.1 billion. We see the typical hold time is 31 days right there, 60% buy activity, 40% sell activity, and obviously the all-time high 49.69. So right here, Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or connect the new chains. So Polkadot, obviously, with the 40 billion market cap right now, it is a little bit on the higher side. If we pretty much every $10 that this goes up, it goes up 10 billion market cap. So if this coin gets to all-time highs at $50, we'll be at around a 50 billion market cap. So the market cap is kind of rising very quickly on Polkadot here, as we can see. So as the market cap rises, it's going to be a lot harder and harder for this coin to go up because it's going to take a lot more volume to push this coin higher. And with Polkadot being at these levels already, it's going to be a lot harder to get the volume in there as well. So Polkadot is definitely a coin that we're going to be watching for any dip opportunities as it continues to go lower or higher. We will be watching it very closely to see for opportunities obviously to get in. Now this one is obviously higher market cap compared to Algorand at 10 billion and Stellar Lumens around that 10 billion area as well. But Polkadot is still a great coin to be watching, guys, on your watch list. So those are the three altcoins we're going to be watching. Now we're going to take a quick look at obviously the rest of the market to see how everything is performing and how the market is doing. So like we said, we'll come back to Bitcoin and Ethereum, but right now Solana's down about 2%, which is actually unusual for Solana. Usually Solana does very well when we have a crypto boom like this. Doge is up 3.5% here, as you can see, finally making a little bit of a move, obviously, but here in the past week, we're still down 7%, but on the 1 month chart, we're pretty much trading flat around this 31.2 billion market cap area. Now, Shiba Inu, obviously, was the big market mover pretty much for Doge last week. Shiba's pretty much been flat here in the past 24 hours, just trading kind of sideways back and forth. But obviously, we hit those highs last week at the 3570 area, maybe even a little bit higher before that pullback. But it seems like we're on an uptrend here. The lows are getting lower and the highs are getting higher, which is obviously a beautiful thing to see with Shiba. And hopefully, Shiba continues to go up for all you meme holders. I know a lot of people that are still invested into Shiba and believe that it's going to go to the moon, which already has really went to the moon. If you would have invested in it when it first came out last year, you would pretty much been very, very rich right now with your returns. So now we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin here in the past 24 hours up almost 3%. So it started to skyrocket on here, pretty much in the morning on Wednesday and continue to go higher and higher and higher. Now we're trading at 58,373, 1.1 trillion market cap, 37% of the crypto market. We have a trading activity at 61% buy, 39% sell activity currently, and the typical hold time is 83 days on Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin in the past week up 13%, past month 26.8%, past year 410%. We're very close to that area. Like we said, we need to pass through this resistance area here around the 60,000 area, and then we're going to the moon, guys. We're going to get to that area hopefully and break through all-time highs at $65,000 per coin. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum's up 2.8%, pretty much same pattern as Bitcoin here on Wednesday going into Thursday. In the past week, this one is actually only up 1%, past month 10%. So Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum here in the past month or so. But on the 1 year chart, Ethereum wins at 857%. But Ethereum's still pretty far away from that all-time high. We're about $700 or $800 away from the all-time high, which is a little bit, about, let's say about a 30%, we need a 30% upside just to get back to the all-time high. Meanwhile, with Bitcoin, we only need about 10% or so to get to the all-time high area. Now, Ethereum is at a 426.4 billion market cap, which is 15% of the crypto market pace right now. If we take a typical hold time, 82 days, trading activity right now is 65% buy, 35% sell activity on this coin. And obviously, Ethereum is following a similar pattern as Bitcoin. So they're both making a great move here. And obviously, all these other altcoins are starting to make a trend on up higher as well. So guys, you guys let me know in the comments below, which cryptocurrency are you watching right now? What do you guys think is going to happen in the market? Are we going to hit those all-time highs with Bitcoin in the month of October? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.